Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Tiguan R-LINE DSG with 150 horsepower, finished in a sleek blue exterior colour. With only 8699 kilometers on the clock and a 2.0 TDI engine, this vehicle is as good as new. Packed with comfort features like ambient lighting, cruise control, satellite navigation and more, driving has never been more enjoyable. Safety is a top priority with ABS, collision avoidance braking, multiple airbags and more. The stylish chrome package and roof rails add to the aesthetics. This vehicle also boasts self-driving capabilities, energy recuperation and more. Rest assured, this Tiguan has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information today.